Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Wanted to get out and do a little shooting this afternoon. Doing something a little bit different here. Had a couple of the other YouTubers, one in particular, Rifleman 2.0, issued out a challenge to do what they're calling the shaving cream challenge. Where they take a can of shaving cream and put it out at 100 yards, shooting a 22 rimfire offhand, iron sights only, and you get 5 shots to hit that shaving cream can. But in my case, the range I go to, they're a little particular about their grounds, and they probably might get a little cranky with the mess that the foam would make. And I'm sure it would wash away pretty quickly, but I didn't want to get anybody any angst, so what I'm using is cans of sparkling water instead. Not quite as dramatic of a spray once you do hit it, but you get the effect still. So and the cans are pretty much the same size. So anyway, I have at 100 yards a can of lime flavored sparkling water hanging up. I have a camera running out there to capture the far end. And what I'm going to be doing the shots with this time is this very unusual piece of equipment, which is a Schmidt Rubin former military rifle that has been converted many moons ago with a 22 short only barrel to be a biathlon rifle. I've had this one for a little while now. I can't remember, maybe a year and a half or so. I think I may have bought it. Well, it was before COVID, so it's getting up on 2 years probably that I had it. But it's quite a gun. Like I said, it shoots 22 shorts only. What I am shooting for this challenge with it, and it actually seems to be the ammo that this gun really likes the best, is these Aguila super extra short 29 grain bullet, and I believe these are rated for like 1050. I don't know if it's written on the box or I found it online, but I'm pretty sure I found that these are rated for around 1050 or so feet per second. So, like I said, I have a camera running out there. Gonna have to hold over a good bit, and of course, before when I was just kind of goofing around, it was nice and calm. But now that I'm getting ready to start doing something, there's actually a fair amount of wind starting to come up. So if that screws me up, then I'll use that as my excuses. So this gun actually has a thumb rest where you can go up top like this, or it actually has a thumb hole, which is what I kind of prefer. So let's see, we're going to be, make sure I stay in. Didn't get it with the first one. I think the extractor's just getting a little tired on this one. Probably had thousands of rounds through it. So. This thing is heavy. There you go, third shot, just like the last time. So, all right. That looked like a better hit there too. Let's spend these last 2 rounds on the gong here. So, got my challenge met. This has got to be one of the probably the most unusual guns that I own. I've never seen a military gun like this, originally chambered for, I think it was 7.5 Swiss or something like that, rebarreled and rechambered all the way down to a tiny little 22 short bullet. But it is quite a shooter, very heavy, but it's very cool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, Rifleman 2.0, and all the other guys that are doing this challenge. I hope you do great. I'll synchronize these 2 video feeds that I got going here, and you can see that one going in real time in a picture-in-a-picture on this guy here. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to keep my channel growing. It's doing good, but I can always do better. So we'll see you next time, and have a great day.